In this video we will explain how to do mixer unit maintenance. So to remove the mixer unit, first we have to remove the funnel, which has already been explained in another video which you can refer to. After removing the funnel, first we have to disconnect the mixer motor connector. After this, there are two pipes provided, one for hot water and another one for cold water. We have to remove both of them like this. And also we have provided marking for how much you have to insert inside the mixer. After removing both of them, just lift the cover and remove the mixer motor. This is mixer motor after cleaning done. We have to pay attention while cleaning the mixer motor and also while cleaning the funnel. We should not spill any water on the motors. After the mixer motor is clean, place the mixing unit cover like this and then connect the motor first. And after connecting the motor, insert the cold water tube. There's a mark provided till which you have to insert the pipe into the mixer unit. Same goes for the hot water pipe. After this, we can insert the funnel as shown in the previous video.